Want to launch a grocery delivery app like Instacart, Zepto, or Blinkit, but wondering how much it really costs to build one in 2025? Here's the truth. It's not just about coding. Your cost depends on your business model, features, and whether you go custom, white label, or SaaS. Stick around. We'll cover top 3 business models, must-have features, development options and costs, smart AI-powered upgrades. Let's start with the 3 business models that define your app development cost. 1. Inventory-based model. You manage your own stock and delivery. Pros: full control over quality. Cons: higher overhead, cost impact, needs strong inventory management and warehouse APIs. 2. Marketplace model. Connects customers with multiple stores. Pros: easy to scale, less inventory risk. Cons: depends on vendors for speed and quality. Cost impact: needs multi-vendor dashboards and order tracking. 3. Micro-fulfillment model. Mini warehouses for ultra-fast delivery. Pros: competitive speed advantage. Cons: complex backend. Cost impact: combines inventory and marketplace systems. Your chosen model completely changes grocery mobile app development costs. We will suggest, if you are entering the market with limited capital, start with a marketplace app and expand into inventory control as your user base grows. Every grocery delivery app needs 3 core modules: customer app, driver app, and admin panel. Customer app: easy browsing, secure payments, scheduling, reorders, and smart recommendations. Driver app: quick order updates, live navigation, delivery status tracking, and earnings dashboard. Admin panel: manage users, orders, vendors, promotions, and performance analytics, all in one place. Add AI-driven features like personalized suggestions or predictive analytics for a smarter edge. Now let's talk about your development options, because this is where your cost and your flexibility really start to differ. SaaS solution. First up, the SaaS model, or software as a service. It's a ready-to-use grocery delivery solution that runs on a subscription plan. It's perfect if you want to get started fast without worrying about infrastructure or setup. The trade-off? Limited customization. You work within a predefined framework, which means you can't always modify every element of the app. Custom grocery delivery app. Next, the custom app. Built entirely from scratch, exactly how you envision it. It's ideal if you're looking to build something unique or plan to scale your operations in the long run. Here, you have full control over the UI, features, and back-end logic. Of course, that flexibility comes with a higher investment and longer timeline. White label solution. And then there's the white label solution, a perfect middle ground. It's a pre-built platform that you can brand as your own, customize key modules, and go live in just a few weeks. White label grocery delivery apps from Quickworks start at $3,999, and your final cost depends on added features, integrations, and whether you need full source code access. Now, if you're planning to build a custom app, your total cost is usually calculated as the number of development hours multiplied by the hourly rate. Here's how those hours are typically distributed across the project. Altogether, that's around 1,900 to 2,400 hours of development time, depending on the complexity of features and platforms. In terms of cost, here's what that means for you. A custom grocery delivery app built in India usually ranges from $25,000 to $50,000. The same app in the US or Canada can go up to $200,000 or more, mainly because of higher hourly rates and infrastructure costs. A white label solution, on the other hand, starts from just $3,999, and you can add or remove features as your business grows. At Quickworks, we specialize in white label grocery delivery app solutions, built to help you launch your business faster, scale smarter, and save thousands in development costs. Whether you're a startup or an enterprise, we've got the right solution for you. Customizable, scalable, and powered by the latest tech. Want to see how it works? Book a free demo with Quickworks today and let's build your grocery delivery app your way.